And yeah, let's see if we can kill this guy. Yep. That's a rip. Okay. We are currently poisoned, so let's go kill this guy. Daniel 990.
Hey guys, it's Corrales.
Really like
in this
armor,
video,
though.
I'm going to show you how to install the shaders mod for Minecraft
skin.
1.8.
I really like the
Please
white.
do bear in mind,
Really,
there's still an alpha
nice.
shaders
Again,
mod, so there's going to be bugs, there's going to be glitches, but it works. Anyhow,
and I don't know
if find
this
this useful, and hide the like button if you do. Hey guys, it's Corales, and welcome everybody to another shaders mod installation video, this time from Minecraft 1.8. It's been like 10 months since I did the previous one, which was from Minecraft 1.7.5 I believe or something, and I've still been using the same configuration, but now my server is getting upgraded to 1.8 and it's time to show you guys how it's done. Alright, so let's do it. Hopefully I can make it as easy as possible, because trust me, it's really easy. There are gonna be two links in the description, so pay closely attention. The first link will take you to this page, which is the Minecraft forums and a post from Karyonyx. Go down here until you see for Minecraft 1.8 alpha version 2.4.2. Clickety-click, it's gonna jump us in the thread a bit into the latest post by Karyonyx. And the cool thing about this, you don't have to have Forge installed to make this work. So this is super simple, alright? This is the download link, and here it becomes shady. Do not click anything in this window here. We don't want to have any viruses or whatnot. Wait until this counter here in the top right corner goes down to 0 and the skip ad button comes up. Click it now. Download and save where it's convenient for you. The next link will take you to this page, which is the Sonic Eater's Unbelievable Shaders, and those are the ones I use a lot. There are a bunch of different out there. Ruder Plates, for example, Mr. Meep, extremely beautiful as well, but Sonic Eater, I just love him. So just scroll down here until you see the download section, which is about here. The ones I'm using in the inspiration series are the 10.1 Ultra. Light is coming soon, because trust me, if you're playing on a potato or a calculator, this might not work, because this is really intensive, like CPU and graphical intensive. So trust me, you need a beastly computer to make this work. But here goes the same. Click the one you choose and wait until this counter goes down to 0. Skip the add button and then just save where it's convenient for you. Skip ad, agree, and download. As simple as that. So now when we downloaded those two files, it's time to install. And I have just reinstalled my Minecraft. And everybody watching this, make sure you back up your saved games. This shouldn't interfere whatsoever, but sometimes people make stupid mistakes, alright? So if I open up my Minecraft folder, as you can see, it's totally blank, not really much in there as a backup. And this folder is located under System, Users, your username, app.data, roaming.minecraft. And the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to create a folder here called Shader Packs. Very important, Shader Packs, alright? Shader Packs. And then I'm gonna drag and drop the Zeus which we just downloaded into that. Drag and drop, copy paste, what? No, just make sure it's in there. Next step would be to install the shaders mod. But if I click this, it's gonna give me an error. Bam, bam, failed. And you might be like, why it failed? This is just because this is a totally fresh installation. I haven't really run Minecraft yet. So what we need to do is just run Minecraft once, all right? And here under my profile, I'm gonna select, go to edit profile, and here in use version, I'm going to use version 1.8, okay? I don't think this will work in 1.8.1. I haven't really tried it out. You might try it out, but make sure you select version release 1.8. The resolution I'm going to set, this is just custom for me, just so you guys can be able to see in game later on, better at least. And here's also something which you could tweak. If this gives you something error, like an error or something, just go back to the previous setting, all right? But if you click this, I don't really know what that is. I'm just going to erase this. This minus XMX1G. This means that your Minecraft will use or accumulate 1 GB of RAM memory. I got at 32 gigs in this one, so I could set this to 32. But recommended, which I've read and seen on the internet or interwebs, is actually 4 gigs. So if you have 4 gigs, just do something like this. And if this gives some error, just untick and you'll be happy. Save profile and play. So now we have a fresh installation of Minecraft 1.8 installed, and you don't have to go through the step if you already have Minecraft 1.8 installed. Next step is close this down. So now when we click the shaders mod installer, yes, okie dokie. It should say complete. And what this does, it adds a separate profile to your Minecraft launcher, which is just based on the shaders mod, which is really awesome and decent. So hopefully it's here. There we go. As you can see, 1.8 shaders mod. Edit profile and set the custom resolution. This is something you don't have to do. This is something for me for this video, right? Because it's going to be easier for you guys to see. There we go. 4G in the RAM memory and play. Hopefully this works. Otherwise, this might be a very failed tutorial video. Mojang. There we go. Options. If we press options, all right, there should be a new button here called shaders. And if you click that, just select Zeus, which we just downloaded and put in the shaders pack folder, all right? So select it, click done, single player, create new world. Survival, creative, there we go. New world, why not? It's a whole new world. And behold everybody, we got a sun, we got shaders. This might lag, by the way. I have actually no idea because I'm playing in window mode and I'm recording my desktop instead. So if I just go time set 5000, and as you can see, this is the Zeus shaders mod, and it works absolutely fantastic. Just take a peek at the water. Hopefully you guys made this work for you, and please
Wait.
button here called shaders, and if you click that, just select Zeus, which we just downloaded, and put it in the shaders pack folder.
Servus Kids und herzlich willkommen zu einem Video, in dem wir mal heute nicht PvP spielen. Nee, ich zeige euch heute meine Top 5 Shader.
Hello everybody, Chris here, and in this short video I'd like to show you how to fix a Minecraft error. If you're trying to get the Zeus shaders to work, you may run into the error message, invalid program composite 1. So there's a fix that's pretty easy in order to take care of this. So go ahead, close out of Minecraft and go to your app data directory, roaming Minecraft shader packs. And what you're going to need to do is open up your shader pack, the zip file archive of it, and from there look for the file composite1.fsh and extract that anywhere to your computer where you can basically go ahead and edit it. As you can see, I already have an example right here, and what you're going to want to do is go down, or edit it in a program like Notepad++, by the way, but go down to line 952. And in order to make this work, all you need to do is you need to find where it says compute fake sky reflection, and it will initially say in. You need to make that in out. That's literally it. So go ahead, save the file, And then you need to add composite 1. Save the file. And then you need to add composite1.fsh back into the zip file. So here I can just drag and drop it into 7-zip, hit yes. The new file is now in there, so we can relaunch Minecraft. Go ahead and launch the game. Go to single player. Start the world up. And it should work. Pretty simple, right? And to confirm that, you can go to Options, Video Settings, Shaders, and make sure that we have SUS turned on, whichever version you're using. And you can modify the shader settings as necessary, but our shader is now working within Minecraft. So I've been Chris. I hope this helped you out. Consider checking out my Patreon and casting a donation if you feel it's worth it. And I'll see you in my next video.
Yeah. I'm probably gonna get it as well.
Hey guys, Squeaks here. Now we're going to be addressing an error called Composite 1 when it comes to shaders. I would like to thank Apex Predator for bringing this up in the first place. He was the main guy who had this issue, and he sent me this. This is what it looks like. Error invalid program, but Composite 1. This is how you fix that. You're going to go to Run.